Hi everyone, it's a pretty hot day, but I have the opportunity to do a quick video about valve wiring. I have a property that I'm at that the sprinklers weren't working. They tried to fix it themselves and the wire got in the incorrect order. So what do I mean by that? Well, sprinkler systems are usually pretty simple. So your white wire, this is the white one here, all of the valves connect to it. They have one wire that goes to the white wire. That's why it has a big wire nut on it. And then whatever valve you're trying to wire in, you'll have, like, let's say a blue wire. So let's say there was just one valve, you would have one wire go to blue, one wire go to white. It has to have that to complete the circuit. So but again, every wire or every valve will have one wire that goes to a colored wire and then to a white. So this is the rule. However, there are always exceptions. So check your controller and make sure that the one wire that's connected to where the C is common, make sure that's white. Sometimes it's black, but that's very rare. So check that, but you have to always have that white wire to create a circuit. So hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.